Alright guys, let's go ahead and go over this mad review. So, when I have a set of numbers, I'm going to do 3 examples if I can. When I have a set of numbers, my first step is to add up all the numbers. So I'm going to split my screen so I can kind of see what my Desmos has and what my examples have. So, here's my first example. I'm adding up all the numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10. Okay, so I have 35. So I got 30. Ooh, let's see if this lets me write. This is annoying. Alright, but you know the gist. 35. Ooh, that's ugly. Hold up, hold up. I need something I can actually see. 35. But that's not my answer. So I'm going to take 35 and I'm going to divide by the set of numbers that I have. So when I look at this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So I'm dividing by the total numbers I have, which is 7. Alright, let's see, where did my pen go? Here it is. Okay. So dividing by 7. Hi. 7. So when I do 35, divide by 7, it gives me, oop, I did 37. 35 divided by 7, that gets me to 5. This is my average. This is what we call the mean, the average. But to figure out our mean absolute deviation, our MAD, we now need to find the difference. So, see if I can move this. No, I cannot. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. So, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to split this into tables as best as I can. And I'm going to take the difference. Therefore, I am subtracting each number. Now, some of these numbers are pretty easy. So, 5 minus 1. I'm still going to do it in the calculator. 5 minus 1 gives me that 4. Silly, but I'm still doing it because it's just a habit of mine. So then now instead of 5 minus 1, now I'm doing 5 minus 2. That gets me to 3. Same thing, I already have 5 minus 2, so that's going to be 3 again. 5 minus 5, that's 0. Now watch what happens. Say if I put 5 minus 7 in here. Gets me a negative 2. I'm not going to include that negative. I'm just going to write the positive, which is 2. So then now I have 5 minus 8. That's 3. And then 5 minus 10 should be 5. I'm going to add one more time, and I'm going to add up all the numbers that I just found the difference for. So I'm not going to risk adding in my head. I'm just going to type it out so that way it's all in there. Okay, so there's all my numbers. I got an average of 20. We're going to divide one more time, and we're still dividing by 7 because there are 7 numbers. So 20 divided by 7 gets me, I'm not going to write this whole number, I'm just going to round it. I'm going to round it to 2 point, and we're going to say 86 because this 7 right here bumps the next door neighbor up. So 2.86. This would be my MAD, also known as my final answer if that's what they're looking for. So let's do another. I'm going to clear my calculator. So remember step 1, add your numbers. 3 plus 7 plus 7, oops, plus 8 plus 8 plus 9. That gets me to 42. So I have 42. Divide, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers this time. So I'm dividing by 6. 42 divided by 6, that gets me to 7. Remember, that is my mean, my average. Now I gotta find step 2, or step 3 really, it's a lot of steps, but we're finding the difference, so I'm making my tables. So So we subtract. 7 minus 3, we get 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 7, I don't know why I'm blanking on that, it's long day, is 2. There we go. So then our next step, we add 4 plus, I include the zeros. Do you have to include the zeros? No. But I still include everything so I don't forget.
Alright, we do have a special setup in the cafeteria for Miss Adams' final concert of her life. So 03, find a table to sit at because your bus isn't here. Bus riders are dismissed, but 03 is not here. So find a table, listen to the counselors, and sit in the cafe.
Okay.
We love you, Miss Adams. Have fun tonight.
Alright, so what I just did is add up all of my numbers. I got 8. We divided by 6 because there's 6 numbers to get a mat of 1.3. Alright. Last example. We have 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12. All the numbers. Fun, fun, fun. So 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 13 plus 15. That gets me 84. We're dividing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 84 divided by 7, which gets me to 12. Alright. We make our tables and we are subtracting. So 12 minus 10 is 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. 12 minus 11 is 1. 12 minus 12 is 0. 12 minus 13 is 1. 12 minus 13 is 1. And then 12 minus 15 is 3. So again, if you forgot how I got those numbers, remember all I'm doing is subtracting. 12 minus 10, there's my 2. Same thing with 11, there's my 1, there's my 13, and there's my 15. Not 115, but 15. And I'm not including the negatives, just keeping them positives. So then now we're adding, 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, which gets me 10. So I have 10 divided by 7, because there's 7 numbers. 10 divided by 7 to get my MAD, which equals to 1 point. We're going to round it to 43 because this 8 bumps the next door neighbor up by 1. So we got our MAD. And I didn't write it on here, but remember, this is called our mean. Hope this video has helped as a recap and getting a better understanding.